je vois la vie en rose. Il m'a dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, que ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais la cause. C'est lui pour moi, moi pour lui dans la vie. Il me l'a dit, l'a juré pour la vie. C'est dès que je l'aperçois, alors je sens dans moi mon cœur qui bat.
Rechts einordnen auf Ruhe des Ursules. Dann haben Sie Ihr Ziel erreicht.
What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to It's time to stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Wegmesser biegen. Wegmesser biegen.
These battle lines
Links abbiegen,
being
75
drawn.
Metern Wegmesser biegen.
Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound?
what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight down for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my strap and lay them busters down.
They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly. Let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the clip and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn cold. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate. I let my gat explode. Now I'm switching my mind back into freak mode. You won't skirt, sit back and observe. I just left a gang of those over here on the curb.
Now you got the freaks and that's a known fact. Before I put down, that was on the same track. Back up, cause it's on. G.
Just like I thought the world was so desperate head. Oh, child were in need of something. One of them names was sexy. Oh, she said my chords broke down and just sing real nice. Would you let me ride?
Weiter, weil die Gruppe ist rausgeflogen.